Hey, today we're over at Chromatic Coatings in Killeen, and we work with Chromatic Coatings. They offer ceramic coating on all their freshly powder coated wheels, and so we come over and we ceramic coat them on occasion. We have partnerships with various other wheel companies as well. So what's the benefit of ceramic coating your wheel? Well, especially ceramic coating your wheel before it even gets installed, it's perfectly clean, so there's no issues, there's no residue, there's nothing. And when we do a wheels off ceramic coating, we coat all the face of the wheel, which is included in all of our ceramic packages, but we also coat the barrel and the rear of the spokes and everything. Now, you won't be able to see the rear of the spokes, but if you've ever tried to clean a dirty, brake dust infested wheel, the barrel is really tough to get, and then with modern day brake calipers, it can be difficult to reach your hand or even a cleaning mitt underneath. You know, you could put wheel cleaner and spray it and it'll come off a lot easier. So it's ease of cleanliness and cleaning is a benefit of ceramic coating. And since we have the wheel off, it's easier to reach everything. Typically we spray at our shop. Today we're gonna be hand applying, but usually we do spray with an Iwata sprayer. So in addition to that, that gives you a layer of protection that will prevent the brake dust from sitting. If you've ever seen an older wheel, it has the brake dust, and it kind of starts to rust, and it'll eventually start pitting and eating through the finish of the wheel, and we don't want that. So we ceramic coat all of our wheels. We suggest you do the same, and just like Clear Bra in our car, you try to get it to as soon as possible while it's still new. That's what we want to do here, is as new as possible. You get us the wheel, we ceramic coat it, and then you put it on the car.